Good morning to everyone out there, all my friends and family, everyone that took a little bit of time out of your day to watch this reminder video. This is for the MasterMind Influencing Team Collab. We get together once a month, first Saturday of every month. And I think it's worth your time and effort to watch this video. You're going to get a lot of insight and a lot of great information. We will be all talking about something different, and we never know what we're going to say before we get on camera. So you're not going to get bored hearing 20 different versions of the same subject, because it's not. Every subject's going to be different, and you need to watch the whole videos to see what everyone's doing, what everyone had to say about how to improve your channel, how to make things better. And there's always encouragement in these Saturday get-togethers. There's always going to be something to inspire you to work on your channel to make it improve and better. There's not going to be a lot of negativity, because we don't believe in negativity. We believe in being positive and moving forward with our channels. Well, there will be someone to teach you something you don't already know. There'll be people there that you're going to be whelmed. They're just so awesome, and they're willing to give you this information for free. They're not asking for anything except to help you build your channel bigger and stronger. And please put it on your calendar. Every month, the first Saturday of every month, please put it on your calendar, for you'll know every month. Get your 12, for the year, get your calendar for 12 months and pencil it in or pen it in with pen for every single Saturday, the first of the month. Go and check out those awesome channels. You're going to be blown away with the content they're going to put up there. They're going to give you so much great insight on how to build and make your channel better. And this is how you do it. And this is a group you want to join, not just because I'm part of the group, but because this group is awesome. This group will give you so much for your bang of watching time. Watch time. Watch time is hard to get, and it's hard to give up, because to go through all these, there are quite a few people that do join in on this, but you're going to learn something on every single video. There'll be so many things to inspire you to move forward on your channel. There's going to be someone to teach you something you didn't already know how to do. And this will help you to help other people out there in the future. This is something you want to join in on. This is something you want to be a part of. So I hope we see you all there. Don't forget, first Saturday of the month. Love you all so much. Don't forget, Grandma's channel is designed for adults only, interested in gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, DIY projects, and we've even done a few road trips this year. Can you believe it? Grandma was so stir crazy in the house, she did a couple road trips. And Grandma comes up with new stuff all the time on her channel. So you guys make sure that you come by and see what I'm up to. And now I'm doing a lot more inspirational talks on my channel too. I think I should start putting that in the under things my channel does, because I get a lot of response from the inspirational talks that I'm giving to now. And I think I'm going to start doing one a week or two a week of those, because this has been a real trying year, and I think we all need a little more inspiration and a little more having positive videos to get us through this trying time. I want you to know I love and appreciate all of you that come by and take time out of your day to check out my videos. It means the world to me. The last video I put up, I almost was in tears on all the sweet comments that you guys left for you versus you. I think it really helped a lot of you, because I know it's really hard to build a YouTube channel. And I really did appreciate all the love, and it really made me feel like maybe I am doing something to help you out. With all the help you guys have given me, I'm trying to get back to you. Thank you so much. And of course, I can't leave without giving you hugs and kisses to all of you that have spent time with me every single week on my channel. and leave me so many beautiful comments. It means the world to me, and I want you to know that. And you take care of yourselves. I know this virus is very stressful for all of us, and we're all watching a lot more YouTube, and we're trying to connect to our YouTube friends because we don't have to be in the same room with each other to know that we love each other and we're supportive of each other. Take care until the next video, my awesome friends. Love you all. Thank you so much for all the love and support you show me and my channel every single day. You don't know how much I appreciate. Even though it might take me a few days to answer comments, I read every single one of them, and I try to answer every one eventually. So you know that I am really giving of myself back to all of you that give so much to me. Take care, my awesome friends. Until the next video, bye-bye for now.